Hello, Funny Junk in YouTube. It's been a little while. I always say that though, don't I? Let's make a garden trowel this time. It is spring, just about. And my mom requested one, so here we go. I've got the rough shape already drawn out. And this is 1095. Make it really good and resilient for digging in the dirt. I will put some kind of edge on it as well, but not like crazy knife edge or anything. What we're going to start doing is get this cut out, and then I'll fire up the forge to hammer it to a thinner, more trowel-like shape. So we've gotten the spade shaped and heat treated and everything, so it's a good scooping shape and thickness and whatnot. You've got the touch mark and all the good stuff. Now we need to start working on the handle. What I have here is pieces glued together from a cutting board that my dad made, and I liked the way that this was stacked basically, so I thought maybe that would make a nice looking handle once it had been turned. So we're going to cut off the excess and then get it kind of roughed down, and then we'll put it in the lathe to attempt shaping it. If I can't use lathe tools, I may use my angle grinder or something, but that's the plan. That's a bit thinner than I meant. I might be starting over. Okay, this should give us a better attempt, anyway. now has a thumb spot, and it actually feels pretty good in the hand, I think. Choke up on it a little bit, so. A little bit different than the original design, but we didn't have a metal tube or anything that I could use as a collar anyway. We're going to finish sanding it up just a little bit, drill a hole, blacken it, and then it'll be ready. Tell you what, instead of polyurethane, I'm going to try a different technique I haven't tried yet. I learned this from Will Stelter from Alex Still's channel, but he uses a CA glue finish, and it should seal this up really well since it's going to be used outdoors. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of this, I think, onto it, yeah, and then rub it in. As I learned in my tall harpa video, you do not want to touch this stuff with your skin, because one, it gets hot, two, it very much will stick you together immediately. You can tell it's good and sealed once it gets glossy. And if you don't want the gloss, you can just kind of rub over it. And that is the And here we are. Got the trowel. And a pot and some sort of flower, let's see. A pansy, alright. How spring-like. Let's see how well it digs, I suppose. Get the pansy scooted out of the way. Okay, yep, that works really, really well, I'd say. There, one very tired looking flower. It needs a little bit of help, but yeah, it's still pretty. The important thing, I guess, is the trowel works. I've already showed it to my mom and she said that it works well, so that's good. If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to be a part of the next challenge build, I let my Power Hammer tier patrons vote every other month on a design that I'll make. Sometimes it's forged, sometimes it's not, but you know, they'll get to vote in a poll on which one I make. Link to that will be in the description, and thank you for watching.